Are you tired of dry, unevenly cooked holiday turkeys and messy oven spills ruining your family dinners? Finding the perfect roasting pan is the secret to unlocking juicy, picture-perfect meals. But picking the wrong one will leave you scrubbing burnt grease for hours. In this video, I am going to walk you through the top roasting pans currently on the market, breaking down their features, durability, and overall performance based on extensive hands-on testing. We will cover everything from budget-friendly non-stick options to high-end stainless steel models that professional chefs swear by. 5. Uukrave Turkey Roasting Pan. This pan boasts generous exterior dimensions of 18.5 by 14.6 inches, with a deep 3.9-inch interior wall that is designed to keep all those delicious juices safely contained. It features a 6-layer construction that feels incredibly heavy-duty right out of the box, promising to resist warping even when exposed to high temperatures. If you are someone who routinely hosts large family gatherings or holiday meals, the sheer volume of this roaster is immediately appealing because it can comfortably accommodate a bird up to 25 pounds without breaking a sweat. Testing this pan with a large holiday turkey revealed some interesting performance dynamics regarding heat distribution and handling. The pan comes with an elevated U-shaped rack, which did a fantastic job of keeping the bottom of the bird out of the greasy drippings, allowing the hot air to circulate freely for a crispier skin. I found the unique external thicker handles to be a thoughtful touch, giving you about 30% more usable cooking space inside the pan compared to traditional designs where the handles intrude inward. However, you really need to measure your oven before buying this, because its massive footprint makes it incredibly difficult to slide into standard or smaller ovens, often leaving zero room for any side dishes. The non-stick surface is heavily advertised as being free from PFOA, PTFE, BPA, and lead, which gave me peace of mind when roasting at the maximum safe temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The dual-layer coating indeed released the sticky, caramelized meat juices effortlessly during my initial tests, making the first cleanup feel like an absolute breeze. However, while they claim it is dishwasher safe, I quickly noticed that relying on a machine wash can severely compromise the longevity of that delicate non-stick layer. 4. HONGBAKE HB-RP-08-XL-RAC-GRY-2025. Measuring an impressive 18.7 by 13.6 inches on the outside, this pan is another absolute titan, designed to handle up to a 26-pound turkey with ease. The gray carbon steel finish gives it a slightly more modern, understated look, and it also features a detachable U-rack designed for healthier, elevated roasting. I was eager to see how the advertised super non-stick coating would perform, especially since the manufacturer boldly claims it guarantees a 10-second cleanup. In practice, the roasting performance was adequate, but it certainly did not blow me away compared to higher-end materials. The pan's tall 3.5-inch inner walls did an excellent job of reducing oven splatter when I roasted a large prime rib, effectively keeping my oven clean and retaining the moisture inside the meat. The angled exterior handles are a genuinely smart design choice, freeing up that precious interior real estate and allowing me to confidently grip the pan with thick oven mitts. Yet, despite the warp-resistant claims, I noticed a slight flexing in the metal when pulling a heavy, fully loaded roast out of a 450-degree oven, which immediately made me question its long-term durability under serious stress. The non-stick coating on the HONGBAKE pan performed well during the first few uses, releasing baked-on fats and sticky marinades with minimal scrubbing required. It is PFOA and PTFE free, which is great for health-conscious cooks. But my rigorous testing revealed that this coating is unfortunately quite susceptible to scratching. Even though I was incredibly careful to only use silicone and wooden utensils, the simple friction of removing and inserting the metal U-rack began to leave visible scuff marks on the interior surface. 3. NutriChef NCOAVL99. The moment I unboxed this beauty, I was captivated by the stunning polished stainless steel exterior and the elegant satin bottom. Unlike the first two pans on this list, the NutriChef features an oval convection shape and comes with a heavy-duty stainless steel lid, completely changing the dynamics of how you can cook. With dimensions of 20.4 by 13 inches, it easily accommodates up to a 24-pound roast, but the addition of the lid elevates it from a simple roasting tray to an incredible vessel for braising, slow cooking, and tenderizing tough cuts of meat. Testing this pan was an absolute joy, particularly because of the incredible heat retention provided by the 0.7 millimeter thick 304 stainless steel construction. I used it to roast a deep dish tender pot roast, and the included lid trapped the moisture perfectly, resulting in a fall-apart tender meal that the open pan simply could not replicate. The stainless steel wire rack kept the roast elevated just enough to circulate the heat, while the heavy lid created a beautiful self-basting environment. The wide handles on both the pan and the lid provided a confident, secure grip, making the transition from the stovetop to the oven incredibly safe and fluid. One of the biggest advantages of the NutriChef over the lower-ranked options is its absolute freedom from fragile non-stick coatings. Because it is crafted entirely from premium stainless steel, I never once had to worry about toxic flakes peeling off into my food or accidentally scratching the surface with metal tongs. While stainless steel does require a bit more effort to clean than a brand new non-stick pan, I found that a simple soak in warm soapy water was all it took to release any fond from the bottom. 2. HexClad CWRT15-C_UK. If you are not familiar with HexClad, they utilize a patented dual-surface technology that combines the searing power and durability of high-grade stainless steel with the easy cleanup of a premium non-stick surface. Measuring a compact 14 by 10 inches, this pan is intentionally smaller than the massive turkey roasters, making it the absolute perfect size for everyday cooking, smaller cuts of meat, whole chickens, and daily vegetable roasting. The moment I held it, the tri-ply construction with an aluminum core felt incredibly premium, dense, and perfectly balanced. What truly sets the HexClad apart during testing was its jaw-dropping high heat tolerance. This pan is oven-safe up to an astonishing 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which completely blows the 450-degree limits of standard roasting pans out of the water. I tested this by placing it directly inside a high-temperature pellet smoker grill to roast a chicken, and it performed flawlessly without a hint of warping. The hybrid laser-etched hexagon surface allowed me to achieve a phenomenal restaurant-quality sear on the stovetop before moving it to the oven, generating an incredible amount of flavor and fond that simply cannot be achieved on a standard non-stick pan. The convenience factor of the HexClad roasting pan is practically unmatched. It is fully compatible with all stovetops, including induction, which allowed me to seamlessly transition from roasting in the oven to simmering a reduction sauce on my induction burner. Even better, it is completely metal utensil safe. I aggressively scraped the bottom with a metal whisk while making gravy, and the surface remained pristine and completely unbothered. The included non-stick rack allowed hot air to circulate perfectly for crispy chicken skin, and both the rack and the pan wiped clean in seconds, proving that you do not have to sacrifice durability for a non-stick experience. 1. Viking 40012-1629. The moment I took this out of the packaging, I knew I was holding a piece of professional-grade equipment. Featuring an 8.5 quart capacity that perfectly fits up to a 14-pound bird, this roaster is forged with a brilliant 3-ply construction. It features a 304 stainless steel interior for pure, non-reactive cooking, a thick aluminum core for rapid and even heat distribution, and an induction-capable stainless steel exterior. This is not just a roasting pan. It is a meticulously engineered cooking system designed to elevate every single meal you prepare. The absolute best feature of the Viking roaster, and the reason it takes the #1 spot, is its genius 3-in-1 design. The heavy-duty stainless steel lid is not merely a cover. It is specifically designed to be inverted and used as a completely separate sauté pan, casserole dish, or beautiful serving vessel. During my testing, I was able to roast a beautiful turkey in the main base while simultaneously using the lid on the stovetop to sauté a massive batch of stuffing. This dual functionality is a massive game changer for holiday cooking, effectively giving you 2 premium pieces of cookware for the price and storage footprint of one. Performance-wise, the Viking operates in a league of its own. The oval convection shape naturally promotes faster, more uniform cooking by eliminating cold corners and allowing hot air to wrap around the food smoothly. It is safe for oven temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and the heat mastery provided by the aluminum core meant that my stovetop gravies simmered perfectly evenly without any hot spots or scorching. I also absolutely love the internal volume markings, which provided flawless ingredient control when I was adding broths and wine for braising.